this. Hold still. Man. On my nerves. Out his Thanks.
Shocky.
Really thought we can remedy that situation. I do admire your spunk, son. Not bad for business. Who's been? You're one of mine. Well, you know, it really ain't, man. Look foolish.
You don't need my help for that. You looked in a mirror lately? You do this for a living?
Me, boy.
I mock. I'm a mocker.
Move in, kid. I got you covered. What the boot hell? You're jumpier than a frog on Texas tarmac.
Bank heist. Really?
Ox is right. Just one for the road.
Right there!
We'll squash the bug.
Squash the bug! Squash the bug! Don't you know any other two? Bug!
Animals suffer.
Like, say, Brer Rabbit?
Treasure.
Old.
So, fence.
Saddle up, Parts. We're riding out of this concrete box canyon. Next time, bug.
Go!